Hello there and welcome to addition and subtraction. So the distance from Joe's home to school is 3.5 kilometers. How far does he walk if he walks there and back? So the distance from Joe's home to school is 3.5 kilometers. So this is Joe, that's his home, and that's the school. Joe's there in the middle. So how long? So from home to school is 3.5 kilometers. And then from school back home, obviously he has to get back home, is another 3.5 kilometers. So 3.5 add 3.5, just add these up. 5 add 5 is 10, 0 goes in the box, 1 is carried forward. 3 add 3 is 6, and add 1 is 7. Decimal goes in the middle, and obviously it's kilometers, so it'll be 7 kilometers altogether, our main answer. So here you've got various addition and subtraction questions, but they're in a form of word problem questions, so be very careful. And try your best in these, and in our next follow-up class, we'll answer all these questions together. Thank you and good luck.